Hello everybody and welcome to KEE'S and the fam. And guys, today I am making my family steak. Now I told my husband, I said, because since you are a wonderful husband, I'll make you a steak, but I'm gonna make it the way I want to make it. So I'm using the Grill Mates Mesquite marinade. I used to use this probably about 4 or 5 years ago, and I haven't used it in a while because Pops, he wants you to do everything old school. He wants you to use all of the garlic, all of the onions, and la. Well, today, guys, I'm using the marinade. Cinnamon is being lazy. So I have 3 porterhouse steaks. I have my mesquite mix. I have my black pepper, my garlic powder, and you can't do it without the W sauce. I'm not going to even try to pronounce the word. So I'm getting ready. While Cam is not in here, I'm getting ready to take me a can, and I'm just getting ready to beat my meat.
Yeah. Before I even put the marinade on it, guys.
Y'all know Cam makes everything a joke. So to be honest, I waited until he left to do this. Because he played too much. Y'all know he paused and all that other stuff. I don't have time for that.
This is still going on the internet.
Be quiet.
There's a voice clip of my mom saying that.
You know what? You and your brother is a little hot mess. So guys, I'm getting ready to flip this over. And I'm going to beat it on the other side. You hear your child laughing? Pop. So when we flip this meat over, we're going to beat the other side too.
Is there another way to word that?
What you want me to say?
Tenderize or...
Well, okay, we'll tenderize, but still beating the meat.
Oh, gosh.
So I got my plastic over it. My family is dysfunctional. You would think he would be the quiet one that wouldn't say nothing. And you don't have to beat it a long time. I just know when I... You know what? When I do this, it just seems like to me the flavor just... Wow. I gotta learn how to record myself without y'all in here.
Oh.
See, you got stuff falling all down. Anyway, let me cinnamon, don't pay them no attention. So guys, I have beat it really, really good.
Yeah, I think you did a really good job.
Good job, Sammy.
So now I'm getting ready. Let me move this out of the way. Gonna wash my hands off. So this is what I like to do. You don't have to do this. You could just follow the directions of the package. But we're going to use 1/4 of water, and we're going to use 1/4 of oil. If you want to use butter, use butter. If you want to use margarine, so I'm going to measure this. And this is 1/4 water. And now we're getting ready to take our butcher boy, and we're getting ready to add 1/4 of vegetable oil. Okay. So now we're going to open our package
of le mesquite.
And some people actually use vinegar too.
Yeah, I use a little vinegar when I'm.
You do?
Yeah, because I cook.
You got a little problem. Okay, so we have that mixed up. So now we're getting ready to bring our steaks back. Remember, we beat it on one side and then we came back and we beat it on the other side. So, and my child is laughing as I say that. So now we're going to add in garlic powder. And now we're going in with black pepper. Okay. Now we're going to put our W sauce. I probably should put it on the the mixture, but we're just gonna do it like this. Okay, so now we're gonna flip the meat over and we're gonna do step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, so we're going back in with our garlic powder. And if you like the onion flavor, you guys can also, you can add your onion. But I'm cooking onions, so, but y'all know I love my garlic and I love my onions too, but I'm putting onions. And this time, this is not my steak, this is the family. I'm having something else. And if you caught us last night, yes, because this is going up tomorrow, you'll know what I'm having to eat. So, we're going to take our meat and look at that marinade. That look good.
Mm-hmm. Smells really good.
Yes. So we're going to take the smallest piece and we're going to just dip it in. Okay. So we're going to sit him off to the side because he can't take all of it. He can't get all of it. And we're going to take this big boy. And we're going to let him get some. And as you can see, this pack is only big enough for 3 steaks if they're really, really big. If you're doing smaller steaks, then you probably have enough to do. I would say probably about 4 or 5. So this is the other big boy. And make sure he get in there. You're trying to be all shy, get in there.
Mm-mm.
This is not the time to be shy. Okay. So he have his little meat resting in this. Why are you sitting up here laughing? So we're going to bring all the meat back and just pile it on top of each other. And we're going to refrigerate this for 30 minutes. And I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, so I have actually let my steaks marinate for 2 hours. And this is what they're looking like. Okay, so
let's dig in.
No, you can't dig in just yet. So what I'm getting ready to do, I have a few onions that's over here already in the pan. So I'm getting ready to take you guys over to the stove and we're getting ready to cook these steaks. Okay. So I just actually put these onions in here, and this is, guys, about 2.5. This is probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. So if you're on a diet, this is so not the recipe for you.
Why do you keep saying that?
Because if you're trying to watch your weight, this is not the meal for you. So I'm getting ready to put my first steak in. You got a little problem. Okay. And I'm going to look and see if this other steak, you know what, guys, we're going to have to do these steaks one by one because these steaks are really big. So we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. Anywhere between 7. Well, this depending on this pop steak. Because he like his steak medium rare. My kids like their steaks well done. So I'll bring you guys back when I'm getting ready to flip this steak. Well, guys, as you can see, my onions, I'm getting ready to take these out. But guess what? I'm getting ready to flip this steak. And it's ready. Oh yeah. That's what you want your steak to look like. So I'm getting ready to allow this to cook, and I will bring you guys back when I get ready to put the second steak in. Guys, I am so sorry. I've been sitting up here running my mouth, and I forgot to call one of the kids or my husband to come and record me while I'm cooking. So this is actually my third steak. So what I'm going to do when I take this steak out, when I get ready to flip it, before I take it out, I'm going to bring you guys on here, and then I'm going to bring you guys back so you can see my plate. I apologize. Y'all know I've been celebrating my birthday, and Mama Cinnamon's a little tired. So I'll bring you guys back in a sec. Well, guys, as you can see, I have already made my plates, and these are my steak meals. I appreciate all of you watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Guys, wait a minute. Before I end this video, I apologize. My phone has been ringing off the hook. Still wishing me birthday wishes. And this is probably one of the first chopped videos that you guys have ever gotten from me, and this will be the last time I allow myself to stay on the phone longer than I intended to. So thank you guys. I apologize, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.